Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Find dx dt at x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 2x squared plus 1 if dy dt is equal to minus 1. Okay, let's see here. Let's start from this function. Okay, you should always start with the function here. So we will have y is equal to 2x squared plus 1. Okay, so now we are looking for dx dt, and we are also given that dy dt is have minus 1. So dx dt and dy dt is the derivative of x and y with respect to time, right? So we need to find out what is that. So take the derivative of y and x here with respect to time. So take derivatives with respect to time. Okay, so on the left hand side, the derivative of y obviously is dy dt. But on the right hand side, we only have x as our variable, right? So we can only derive dy here with respect to x. So we'll have dy dx. To get dy dt, we need to multiply this by dx dt. And by doing this, eventually this dx will cancel out and we get dy dt, right? And we are already given the value of dy dt here, and we need to find out dx dt. Okay, so this is called the chain rule, right? If you remember. Okay, so now let's plug in the variables that we know. Okay, we will have dy dt here. And the derivative of y with respect to x, we can just use the power rule. For this term here, the derivative of 2x squared is 4x, right? So we have 4x. And then plus 1 is just a constant, so the derivative of it is 0, and I don't need to write it. So I'll have 4x here multiplied by dx dt. But we need to find out dx dt, so I will need to isolate this, right? So let's do that. So we will have dx dt. That will equal to, I think we will have 1 divided by 4x multiplied by dy dt. And now what will happen? We need to find out at x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so let's write that first. So at x is equal to minus 2. And let's evaluate what we are given by the problem. We have the x here, and we also have the dy dt, right? Because dy dt is equal to minus 1. So we have all the values on the right hand side. So we can just plug that in. So we'll have dx dt at x is equal to minus 2, and that will equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by minus 2, and then what is dy dt? That will be minus 2. So we will have 1 divided by minus 8, and then this is not minus 2, this is minus 1. Multiplied by minus 1, and minus become positive, so I will have 1 over 8 here. And that is the final answer for this question, 1 over 8. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes. And I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.